Hey everybody, it's Richie and Alan, and we just picked this up at an estate sale.
Yeah, we went to Radio Shack back in 1985.
We time warped again.
Yay.
Off-roader, radio controlled all-terrain vehicles.
From Radio Shack.
Alan looked them up, and he said that people are buying them for $50 or $60 with $60 shipping, which is ridiculous. So we are going to see in the next segment of this video if this thing actually works and if it turns on. So you probably saw the $38 thing on there. It was 25% off today. So let's see if this thing works. Woohoo!
Oh, caught the wheelie.
Yeah. Yeah! Tough 4x4 off-road muscle trucks, $47.95. And more stuff. I am trying to find out with Alan how much, or excuse me, what year this came out. I'm going to throw this in the video though. Here we go. It's thrown in. Woohoo! Alan's driving it. Say hi to YouTube, Alan.
Hi.
Since I'm splicing all these videos together, who knows where this will end up. Alan's like, does it have headlights? I'm like, it's from 85. I don't think it has headlights.
Stoppers had headlights and they were tiny.
Well, you're stupid. Yeah, everybody, look, it works. Looked it up on eBay. Highest sold 220. I'm like, you people are crazy about the 80s. Dad's like, you should sell it. And I'm like, you should shut your pie hole. Come on now, you can do it. Yay! Oh, yes, we love it.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh. All right, go ahead.
I can't get it to go anywhere. The rudder's not working. Oh shit.
No, don't let it stop.
Yeah, come on down, man.
Whoa, that was cool.